Shwmae, croeso cynnes I sesiwn 2 o Clwb Cwtsh. A very warm welcome to you all to the second session of Clwb Cwtsh. In the first session, you did amazingly, and we learned things like basic greetings, some counting, some foods, and that sort of thing. So in this session, sesiwn 2, session 2, we're going to be doing some more phrases such as being able to say good morning, good afternoon, that sort of thing, and also asking how you are and that sort of thing. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, we'll do good morning, okay, because that's always a good one to do. So good morning in Gymraeg, in Welsh, is bore da. Okay, bore da means good morning. Okay, so I'll write this one down for you. So, bore da. Good morning. I'll write this down underneath. Okay. So hope you can see that okay there. So bore da, good morning. And we say it a bit like this, okay? So, bore da. So, bore da, good morning. Okay? So, let's give this a go then together, iawn? Gyda'n gilydd. Bore da. Gwych. Da iawn chi. Excellent. So, bore da for good morning. Should we try it again? Yeah? Okay, gyda'n gilydd. Bore da. Gwych. Da iawn chi. Excellent. So that's good morning, okay? So that's bore da. Brilliant. Da iawn chi. Excellent. Okay, so we've done bore da for good morning. Now then, if we're in the afternoon, then we need good afternoon, don't we? Yeah? So you might have heard of prynhawn da before. We tend to say it as pnawn da. But if you do know prynhawn da already, then I'll absolutely stick to what you know. However, we do tend to sort of shorten it ever so slightly to pnawn da. Okay, so we'll do pnawn da. Okay, I'll write this one down for you again. So, pnawn da. That's good afternoon. Hope that helps again underneath. So, pnawn da, good afternoon. So, pnawn da. Okay, so pnawn da, good afternoon. Okay, so let's give this one a go then, okay, together. Gyda'n gilydd. Pnawn da. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. Pnawn da. Let's give that one another go, okay? So, gyda'n gilydd. Pnawn da. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. So, pnawn da for good afternoon. So, we've had bore da for good morning, and now we've had pnawn da, which is good afternoon. Okay, so now the next one is good night. Now then, good night is nos da. Okay, nos da for good night. Okay, so I'll write this one down for you. So, nos da. So, night. Okay, so nos da. Okay, good night, and we say it a bit like that. So nos da, nos da. Okay, so nos da, good night. Okay, so let's give this one a go. Okay, gyda'n gilydd. Nos da. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. Eto, should we give it another go? Yeah, again, eto. Okay, gyda'n gilydd. Nos da. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. So that's good night. Okay, so we've had bore da for good morning, pnawn da for good afternoon, and nos da for good night. Okay, so those are nice greetings to have for different times during the day. Okay, so that's the 3 there for you. Okay, shall we move on now then to ask, well, say if we've said something like, oh, good morning, so bore da, for instance, and you want to say shwmai, you know, with it, and you want to actually ask somebody, well, how are you? You know, how are you doing, sort of thing. So what we'll do is we'll do the informal we'll use, because in Welsh we have a formal and an informal way of speaking. So we'll do mostly informal, but we'll do a little bit of the formal as well, okay? And formal can be the plural as well. So say if you're speaking to more than one person, but we'll touch on that later, okay? So the first one I'm going to do for you is how are you? Okay, so how are you is sut wyt ti? Okay, sit wyt ti, and this is the informal way of asking somebody how they are. Okay, so sit wyt ti, how are you? Okay, so I'm going to write this one down for you. Okay. Here, and if I do it like this. Yeah. So I hope this helps underneath. So sut wyt ti? How are you? Okay, sut wyt ti? And then we say it a bit like this underneath. So sit as in sit and, you know, get up. So sit on the sofa. So same sort of pronunciation there. Sut wyt ti? Okay, sut wyt ti? Okay, so sut wyt ti? How are you? Sut wyt ti? Okay, so let's give this one a go gyda'n gilydd. Iawn? Okay, gyda'n gilydd. Sut wyt ti? Gwych, da iawn chi. Excellent. Sut wyt ti? How are you? Let's give that one another go. Okay, gyda'n gilydd. Sut wyt ti? Gwych, da iawn chi. Excellent. So sut wyt ti? How are you? Okay, sut wyt ti? Gwych, da iawn. Excellent. You're doing really well. Excellent. Okay, so that's the informal way of asking. If you're asking somebody in a more formal way, or maybe if there's more than one person, say if you've come across a few people, for instance, in the street, and you want to ask both people, for instance, how they are, then that's when we use the formal way of asking. Okay, so that would be sut ydych chi? Okay, so there's the sound again. Again, doesn't need to be harsh, just a soft sound. Okay, so sut ydych chi? Okay, sut ydych chi? And that's the how are you in the formal and the plural. Okay, so I'm going to write this one down for you. And I put formal in brackets underneath, and then it's literally sit. Okay, so literally, okay, sut ydych chi? Okay, it's got the there. Okay, so it's a little bit difficult to kind of do a pronunciation of that, but it's the sound. Okay, so sut ydych chi? How are you in the formal? Okay, so sut ydych chi? Sut ydych chi? Okay, sut ydych chi? Okay, so let's give that one a go to gyda'n gilydd. Iawn? Sut ydych chi? Gwych, da iawn chi. We'll give that one another go, okay? Gyda'n gilydd. Sut ydych chi? Gwych, da iawn chi. Excellent. So, sut ydych chi? Okay, how are you? Sut ydych chi? Okay, so that's the formal or the plural if we're speaking to more than one person. Okay, so sut ydych chi? Gwych. Now then, we've asked the question, how are you? Of course, we need the answer, don't we, yeah? So, for instance, if you wanted to say, I'm very well, thanks, yes, or very good, thanks, we would say, you've heard me saying this already a lot, da iawn, okay? So, da iawn diolch would be very well or very good, thanks. Okay, so da iawn diolch. That's what we want if we're like if we're feeling, yeah, I'm very good today, thanks. So da iawn diolch. I'll write this down for you. Okay. So, da iawn, deall. And that's very well or very good. There we are. Hang on. There we are. And that's literally da. Again, it's the sound on the end, but just a soft okay. So we've got da iawn, deall. Very well or very good, thanks. And it's literally a bit like this. Hope you can see that, okay? Da iawn, deall. Okay, so da iawn, deall. Okay, so let's give this one a go, okay, together. Gyda'n gilydd. Da iawn, deall. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. So da iawn, deall. Very well or very good, thanks. Let's give that one another go, okay? Gyda'n gilydd. Da iawn, deall. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. So da iawn, deall for very well or very good, thanks. Okay, so that's a nice one. Okay, now then, if we just want to say, because I say this as well, you know, in conversation, we might not be particularly sort of very good. We might want to just say, fine, thanks. Yeah, okay, thanks. So literally, fine or okay would be just iawn, deall. Okay, so iawn, deall would be fine, thanks, or okay, thanks. All right, so literally, instead of da iawn, deall, it would be literally iawn. So iawn, deall. So that's fine or okay, thanks. That's literally like that. Okay, hope this helps like that. Okay, so iawn, deall. Fine or okay, thanks. And it's literally, hope you can see that, okay? It's a bit bright, isn't it? Iawn, deall. Okay, so iawn, deall. Okay, so let's give this one a go te. Gyda'n gilydd. Iawn, deall. Gwych, da iawn chi. Excellent. So fine, thanks. Iawn, deall. Let's give that one another go, okay? Gyda'n gilydd. Iawn, deall. Gwych. Da iawn chi. Excellent. So iawn, deall for fine, thanks. Yeah, so that's a good one. I think you'd probably use that one a lot. Okay, so we've done the positives, we've done the very good and the fine. What if we're not particularly feeling that on that particular day? We might be feeling tired, yeah? So tired is wedi blino. Okay, so wedi blino. I'll write this one down for you. Wedi blino. Okay, so when we're tired, we're wedi blino. Okay, and it's pronounced a bit like this. So wedi blino. Okay, wedi blino. Okay, and that's tired. Okay, so let's try to gyda'n gilydd wedi blino. Gwych, da iawn chi. Excellent. Let's give that one another go, okay? Gyda'n gilydd. Wedi blino. Gwych, da iawn chi. Excellent. So tired is wedi blino. Oh, wedi blino. Okay, so tired. Gwych, da iawn chi. So we've done the tired, which is wedi blino. Now then, if you're feeling particularly awful, yeah, for instance, you might be feeling terrible. Okay, so terrible is, or awful, is ofnadw. Okay, ofnadw. And I'll write this one down for you. Some people might say ofnadwy, which is absolutely fine as well. I'll write both down now for you. We tend to say, I specifically actually say ofnadw, okay, but either or is fine. So either ofnadw or ofnadwy, whichever way you want to say it, okay? So ofnadw, O ofnadwy. And that's terrible. Or awful. And it's literally... Okay, so... Ofnadw, okay, or ofnadwy, it's got the sort of sound on the end. There's no ofnadwy, it's like an E sound there, okay? And that's terrible or awful, okay? And we say it as ofnadw, okay? Ofnadw, okay? So ofnadw is terrible or awful, okay? So let's try ofnadw, okay? Gyda'n gilydd. Ofnadw. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. Let's try that one again, yeah? Gyda'n gilydd. Ofnadw. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. So, ofnadw is terrible. I hope you're not feeling that way at the moment, but if you ever do, then it's ofnadw, terrible. Okay, so that's a good one to have if you're ever feeling awful, if somebody asks you. Hope you're not, though. Okay, so... We've had wedi blino, yeah, wedi blino, you're tired. We've had iawn diolch, so fine, thanks. We've had da iawn diolch, if we're feeling very good or very well. We've also done as well ofnadw, which is terrible or awful. And the last one we're going to do in this section is hapus, okay? Hapus is happy, okay? So quite similar there. The first part of the word sounds a little bit like the English there. So instead of happy, it's hapus. Okay, hapus. I'll write this one down for you. Okay, so hapus is happy. And if you remember, the U sound is always an E sound, okay, in Welsh. So when you see the U, it's hapus, okay, hapus, okay, for happy, and it's literally so like that. So hapus, okay, hapus, okay, for happy, hapus, okay. So let's try gyda'n gilydd, hapus. Gwych, da iawn chi. Let's give that one another go, okay, gyda'n gilydd, hapus. Gwych, da iawn chi. Hapus for happy. Okay, so that's another nice one as well. So if you're feeling happy, if somebody asks you, oh, sut wyt ti? And you can say hapus, yeah, happy. Gwych, da iawn chi. Hope you're okay there. You're doing excellently. Da iawn chi. Be very proud of yourselves. You're doing wonderfully. So da iawn chi. Excellent. Okay, so far we've done things like bore da for good morning. We've done pnawn da for good afternoon. We've done nos da for good night. And of course, wedi blino might go well with nos da, because when we're saying good night, usually we're saying, oh, good night, and we're off to bed. So then I would imagine we're wedi blino, yeah, which is tired, of course. When we say nos da, when we say good night. We've done things like sut wyt ti, how are you? We've also done sut dych chi, yeah, the formal way, or the plural if there's more than one person, which of course is how are you as well. And of course we've done things like da iawn diolch, very good, thanks. We've done iawn diolch, which is of course fine or okay. We've done ofnadw, haven't we, yeah, which is terrible or awful. And of course we've now done hapus, which is happy. Okay, so let's move on now to the next section. Okay, so in this next section we're going to do a question, for instance, do you want? Okay, so in the last session, in sesiwn 1, we talked about a paned, didn't we, yeah, for a cuppa. So for instance, this would be a good question to have if you were to ask somebody, do they want a cuppa, for instance. Okay, so now then, to ask, do you want, so do you want something, that would be, wyt ti eisiau? Okay, wyt ti eisiau? Do you want? Again, this is in the informal, okay? We'll stick to that, okay? So, wyt ti eisiau? Do you want? Wyt ti eisiau? So, for instance, if you're asking somebody, do they want a cuppa? You could say, wyt ti eisiau paned. Okay, wyt ti eisiau paned? Okay, so that's a good question there. Okay, so I'm going to write down now wyt ti eisiau. Okay. That's literally... Again, hope this helps underneath. So there we are. Okay, so wyt ti eisiau? Do you want? Wyt ti eisiau? Okay, so and we pronounce it a bit like this underneath. Hope you can see that. Okay, again, it's a little bit bright, isn't it? Wyt ti eisiau? Okay, wyt ti eisiau? Okay, for do you want? Wyt ti eisiau? Okay, so let's try wyt ti eisiau together, iawn? Okay, te, gyda'n gilydd. Wyt ti eisiau? Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. Wyt ti eisiau? Do you want? Wyt ti eisiau? Okay, let's give that one another go, okay? Gyda'n gilydd. Wyt ti eisiau? Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. So, wyt ti eisiau paned? Do you want a cuppa? Wyt ti eisiau paned? Okay, so that's a good one to have. Wyt ti eisiau paned? Okay, so you've asked the question now. Do you want, for instance, a cuppa? So, of course, we need to be able to answer. So, to answer that question, we would do a do for yes, yes, I do. Yeah, a do. Or if we don't want, for instance, a cuppa, we'd say nac ydw. Okay, so we'll do a do first, okay? So for this question, this is the yes that we need, okay? So a do. Okay. So a do. Okay, so a do is the yes I do in that question, okay? So do you want a cuppa? Yes I do. Yeah. So a do, yes I do, and we say it like that. A do. Okay, a do. Okay, so that's the yes for that question. Okay, so let's try a do. Gyda'n gilydd. A do. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. So a do for yes. Okay, in that for that question there. So wyt ti eisiau paned? Do you want a cuppa? Wyt ti eisiau paned? A do. Okay, yes I do. Okay. Right then, so if we don't, however, we need nac ydw. Okay, so nac ydw is no for that question. Okay, so we'll do nac ydw. Just like that. Okay, so hope that helps underneath again. So nac ydw, so that's the no that we need there, okay? So nac ydw, okay? And it's literally just like that. Nac ydw, nac ydw. Okay, so nac ydw, okay? So let's give that one a go then together. Iawn, gyda'n gilydd. Nac ydw. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. Let's try that one again, eto, iawn? Okay, gyda'n gilydd. Nac ydw. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. So nac ydw is the no that we need there. Okay, gwych, da iawn, you're doing excellently. Da iawn chi, brilliant, gwych. Okay, so we've asked the question now, do you want? And we've done yes and no. You might then want to say, I want something, for instance. Okay, so for instance, I want a cuppa, for instance, would be dwi eisiau paned. Okay, so dwi eisiau paned. Dwi eisiau. I want. Dwi eisiau. Okay, so we're going to do that one together now. Okay, I'll write this one down for you. There we are. Okay. So, dwi eisiau. I want. Dwi eisiau. Okay, so, and it's pronounced a bit like this. Dwi eisiau. Okay, dwi eisiau. Okay, so I want. Dwi eisiau. Okay, then. So let's give dwi eisiau a go. Okay, gyda'n gilydd. Dwi eisiau. Gwych, da iawn chi. Excellent. So dwi eisiau is I want. Okay, let's give that one another go. Okay, gyda'n gilydd. Dwi eisiau. Gwych, da iawn chi. I want, dwi eisiau. So, I'll say this one then. Okay, so I want a cuppa. So, dwi eisiau paned. Okay, so say if somebody's asked you, and this is a good answer, if you wanted to sort of do a bit of a longer phrase, for instance, you could say, when you've had the question asked you, wyt ti eisiau paned? Okay, do you want a cuppa? You could say, ydw dwi eisiau paned? Yes, I want a cuppa. Okay, so that's a good one there. Okay, so wyt ti eisiau, do you want, and then I want is dwi eisiau. Okay, so that's that little section there. Okay, da iawn chi. Excellent, you're doing so well. Be very proud of yourselves. Da iawn. Okay. You might want to ask this question actually in lots of conversations. Say if somebody, you can tell somebody may be feeling a bit under the weather, or you can tell, oh, you know, something's wrong. So you might want to ask, oh, what's wrong? What's the matter? So what's wrong or what's the matter is beth sy'n bod. Okay, beth sy'n bod. What's the matter? What's wrong? Okay, beth sy'n bod. Iawn? So I'm going to write this one down for you. So beth sy'n bod. Yeah, and that's what's wrong. Yeah. Okay, so we've got, there we are. Beth sy'n bod. What's wrong or what's the matter? Beth sy'n bod. Okay, and it's pronounced a bit like this. So beth sy'n bod. Okay, beth sy'n bod. Okay, beth sy'n bod. Okay, so what's wrong? What's the matter? Beth sy'n bod. Okay, so let's give this one a go te gyda'n gilydd, okay? Beth sy'n bod? Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. Beth sy'n bod? What's the matter? Beth sy'n bod? Okay, let's give that one a go. Eto, iawn, again. Eto, gyda'n gilydd. Beth sy'n bod? Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. So, beth sy'n bod? What's the matter? Okay, so that's a good one to have. Okay, beth sy'n bod? Gwych, da iawn chi. Okay, so if we've asked the question, or what's the matter, we might want to ask then, well, are you happy, for instance? You know, are you happy? So that would be, wyt ti'n hapus? Remember when we did hapus earlier on, yeah? So hapus is happy. So you could ask then, wyt ti'n hapus? Okay, are you happy? Wyt ti'n hapus? Okay, so I'm going to write this one down for you next. Okay, te. Again, we're doing this in the informal. Okay, so wyt ti'n hapus? Are you happy? Literally. Okay, so there we are. So wyt ti'n hapus? Are you happy? Wyt ti'n hapus? Okay, wyt ti'n hapus? Are you happy? And it's literally pronounced like this. Wyt ti'n hapus? Okay, wyt ti'n hapus? Okay, so let's give this one a go te gyda'n gilydd, iawn? Gyda'n gilydd. Wyt ti'n hapus? Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. Let's give that one another go, okay? Gyda'n gilydd. Wyt ti'n hapus? Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. Are you happy? Wyt ti'n hapus? Okay. again, if somebody's asked you that question, you could say ydw or nac ydw. Okay, for those questions, for that type of question again, okay, you can use the same answer there for the yes and no. You can say ydw neu nac ydw. Okay, so that's a good one again there. Okay, so we've done wyt ti'n hapus? Are you happy? You might want to ask then, are you okay? Yeah, or are you fine? Are you okay? So that one then would be wyt ti'n iawn? So again, iawn, yeah, if we use for fine or okay. So then we'd ask the question, wyt ti'n iawn? Are you okay? Wyt ti'n iawn? Okay, so we'll do that one next. Okay, so wyt ti'n iawn? Are you okay? And that's literally like this. There we are. Okay, so wyt ti'n iawn? Are you okay? Wyt ti'n iawn? Okay, and it's literally pronounced like this. Wyt ti'n iawn? Okay, wyt ti'n iawn? Okay, are you okay? Wyt ti'n iawn? Okay, so let's give this one a go to gyda'n gilydd. Iawn, gyda'n gilydd. Wyt ti'n iawn? Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. So, are you okay? Wyt ti'n iawn? Okay, let's do that one eto again, iawn? Gyda'n gilydd. Wyt ti'n iawn? Da iawn chi, excellent. So, are you okay? Wyt ti'n iawn? And then again, we would use ydw if we're okay, if we're fine, ydw, or we'd say nac ydw if we weren't fine. Okay, da iawn chi, excellent. I hope you're all okay there. You're doing brilliantly. Da iawn chi, excellent. So in that section, we've done things like wyt ti eisiau, do you want? Wyt ti eisiau. We've done things like ydw for yes and nac ydw for no. We've done things like I want, which is dwi eisiau. Yeah, sort of dwi eisiau paned. I want a cuppa. We've done beth sy'n bod? Yeah, what's the matter? Beth sy'n bod? Okay, so that's a good one again. We've also done then wyt ti'n hapus? Are you happy? And we've also done wyt ti'n iawn? Are you okay? Wyt ti'n iawn? Okay, so that's that section done there. Okay, excellent. Da iawn chi, you're doing so well. Brilliant. Okay, another question which is very handy, again, if we're saying no star, if we're saying good night, we might want to say wyt ti wedi blino? Okay, so wyt ti wedi blino? Are you tired? Yeah, wyt ti wedi blino? Okay, so wyt ti wedi blino? Are you tired? Okay, so wyt ti wedi blino? We do that one next. Okay, Yeah. Are you tired? And I'll do the pronunciation. There we are. Okay. So, wyt ti wedi blino? Are you tired? Wyt ti wedi blino? Okay, and it's pronounced a bit like this. So, wyt ti wedi blino? Okay, wyt ti wedi blino? Okay, wyt ti wedi blino? Are you tired? Wyt ti wedi blino? Okay, so let's give this one a go gyda'n gilydd. Okay, gyda'n gilydd. Wyt ti wedi blino? Da iawn chi, excellent. Wyt ti wedi blino? Are you tired? Wyt ti wedi blino? Let's give that one a go eto, okay, again. Gyda'n gilydd. Wyt ti wedi blino? Da iawn chi, excellent. Wyt ti wedi blino? Are you tired? Okay, again, we would use ydw or nac ydw for a question like that as well, okay? So ydw if you are tired, or nac ydw if you're not tired. Okay, da iawn chi, excellent. Now you might want to say something like, actually, yeah, do you know what, I am tired. Okay, so we would then say if we're saying I'm tired, we'd say dwi wedi blino. Okay, dwi wedi blino. Okay, dwi wedi blino. Okay, I'm tired. Dwi wedi blino. So I'll write this one down for you. Dwi wedi blino. I'm tired. There we are. Okay, so there we are. Dwi wedi blino. I'm tired. Dwi wedi blino. Okay, and pronounced a bit like this. So dwi wedi blino. Dwi wedi blino. Okay, dwi wedi blino. I'm tired. Dwi wedi blino. Okay, so let's give this one a go gyda'n gilydd. Dwi wedi blino. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. Dwi wedi blino. I'm tired. Dwi wedi blino. Okay, let's give that one a go again. Okay, gyda'n gilydd. Iawn, gyda'n gilydd. Dwi wedi blino. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. Dwi wedi blino. I'm tired. Gwych, da iawn chi. Okay, well, obviously that is if we are tired. Somebody might ask you the question, well, wyt ti wedi blino? Are you tired? And you might not be. So of course, when we want to say no, I'm not tired, we say I'm not tired is dwi ddim wedi blino. Okay, so the ddim makes it the sort of the negative then. Okay, so dwi ddim wedi blino. Okay, so I'll write this one down for you next. Okay, so dwi ddim wedi blino. I'm not tired. That is there we are. Okay, so for them, as you can see, there's a th sound there. The double D makes a th sound, okay, which is the same as if we're saying this and that, okay. So it's the th that we use in English when we say this and that, okay. So when you see that underneath, so I've got dwi ddim wedi blino. I'm not tired, okay. So underneath I've got dwi ddim. So that's the th there, okay, the soft th, okay. So dwi ddim wedi blino. Okay, dwi ddim wedi blino. I'm not tired. Dwi ddim wedi blino. Okay, so let's give this one a go. Te gyda'n gilydd. Okay, gyda'n gilydd. Dwi ddim wedi blino. Gwych, da iawn chi. Excellent. Dwi ddim wedi blino. I'm not tired. Dwi ddim wedi blino. Okay, let's give that one another go. Gyda'n gilydd, iawn? Dwi ddim wedi blino. Gwych, da iawn chi. Excellent. Dwi ddim wedi blino. I'm not tired. Gwych, da iawn chi. You're doing amazingly. Da iawn. Okay, so we've done dwi wedi blino, neu dwi ddim wedi blino. So we've done the two there. Now then, if you want to say I'm happy, okay, so we'd say dwi'n hapus, okay? Dwi'n hapus, okay? So I'm happy, dwi'n hapus, okay? We'll do that one next. Okay, so dwi'n hapus, I'm happy. Yeah, okay, so I'm happy, dwi'n hapus. Dwi'n hapus, I'm happy. Dwi'n hapus, okay, and underneath I've got that there for you. Dwi'n hapus, okay, dwi'n hapus. Okay, so I'm happy, dwi'n hapus. Okay, so let's give dwi'n hapus a go gyda'n gilydd. Iawn, gyda'n gilydd. Dwi'n hapus. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. Let's do that one again, okay? Eto, gyda'n gilydd. Dwi'n hapus. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent, da iawn. So, dwi'n hapus for I'm happy. Okay, so that's obviously the positive. Now then, if you happen to be not very happy, you would say dwi ddim yn hapus. So again, we use the ddim for the negative. So I'm not, yeah, it would be ddim. So that's where that comes in, okay? So dwi ddim yn hapus, okay? So if we're feeling sad or if we're not feeling very, very, very happy, we'd say dwi ddim yn hapus. Okay, so let's give that one a go. I'll write this down for you first, and then we'll give it a go. So, dwi ddim yn hapus. I'm not happy. Dwi ddim yn hapus. Okay, there we are. So, dwi ddim yn hapus. I'm not happy. Dwi ddim yn hapus. Okay, and that's literally like this. Dwi ddim yn hapus. Dwi ddim yn hapus. Okay, so I'm not happy. Dwi ddim yn hapus. Okay, so let's give this one a go. Okay, together. Gyda'n gilydd. Dwi ddim yn hapus. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. Let's give that one another go, okay? Gyda'n gilydd. Dwi ddim yn hapus. I'm not happy. Dwi ddim yn hapus. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent, da iawn. So dwi ddim yn hapus, okay? I'm not happy, but I hope you are. Okay, iawn. Well, we've nearly come to the end, okay? We've got one more to do, and this is a good one. If you want to say to somebody, for instance, it's okay, or it's fine, you know, sort of don't worry, sort of thing, it's fine, yeah? It's okay. So this is mae'n iawn. Okay, so it's okay or it's fine is mae'n iawn. Okay, mae'n iawn. It's okay. Okay, mae'n iawn. Okay, so I'll write this one down here. So, okay. So mae'n iawn. It's okay. It's fine or okay. I'm just literally. Again, I hope it helps underneath a little bit with the pronunciation, okay? So, mae'n iawn, it's fine, it's okay. Mae'n iawn, okay? Mae'n iawn, it's fine, it's okay. Mae'n iawn. Okay, so let's try mae'n iawn, okay, together, okay? Gyda'n gilydd, mae'n iawn. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. Mae'n iawn, it's fine, it's okay. Mae'n iawn. Okay, let's give that one a go eto, okay? Gyda'n gilydd, mae'n iawn. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. So, mae'n iawn for it's fine, it's okay. Mae'n iawn. Gwych, da iawn chi. You've done so well. Sesiwn 2 has been fantastic. You've done so well. Da iawn chi, excellent. So we've come to the end of sesiwn 2. We've come to the end of session 2, sesiwn 2. So what we'll do now is we'll have a quick recap before we finish. Okay, so we started off, of course, with things like bore da and pnawn da and that sort of thing. Okay, so let's try gyda'n gilydd. Let's try bore da. Okay, so let's try that one first. Okay, gyda'n gilydd, bore da. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. So of course, good morning, bore da. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. So bore da for good morning. Let's try now then, good afternoon. Okay, so let's try good afternoon, which is pnawn da. Okay, gyda'n gilydd, pnawn da. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. So pnawn da for good afternoon. Gwych, da iawn. So of course now we'll go on to good night, which is nos da. Okay, nos da for good night. Let's give that one a go. Gyda'n gilydd. Nos da. Gwych. Da iawn chi. Excellent. So nos da. So we've had bore da, pnawn da, and nos da. Okay, so those three together there. Brilliant. Da iawn chi. Now then, next, of course, we did the how are you, didn't we? Yeah. So, of course, we did sut wyt ti. Okay, sut wyt ti. How are you? Sut wyt ti. And, of course, this is the informal way of asking, isn't it? Yeah, so how are you in the informal is sut wyt ti. Let's give that one a go again. Okay, gyda'n gilydd. Sut wyt ti. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. So, sut wyt ti? How are you? Sut wyt ti? Okay, da iawn. We're going to do the formal now, okay? And, of course, if we're speaking to more than one person, all right? And, of course, that was sut dych chi. Do you remember that one? Yeah? So, sut dych chi is the formal or when we're speaking to more than one person. Sut dych chi. Okay, so let's give that one a go to gyda'n gilydd. Sut dych chi? Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. So, sut dych chi for how are you? Okay, and of course, when we've asked the question, let's say now that we're feeling particularly, yes, I feel really good. So we'd say, da iawn diolch, yeah, da iawn diolch, very well or very good, thanks. So let's give that one a go next, okay? Gyda'n gilydd. Da iawn diolch. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent, da iawn diolch. Okay, so very well or very good, thanks. Gwych, da iawn. Now then, we also did fine or okay, didn't we? So sort of fine, thanks. So of course, fine or okay, thanks would be iawn diolch. Yeah, iawn diolch. Okay, so let's give that one a go. Okay, gyda'n gilydd. Iawn diolch. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. So da iawn diolch for very good, thanks, and then just iawn diolch for fine, thanks. Gwych, da iawn chi. Now te, if we're tired, we did wedi blino, didn't we? Yeah, so wedi blino if we're tired. Yeah, so let's try wedi blino. Okay, gyda'n gilydd. Wedi blino. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. Okay, so wedi blino for tired. Okay, and if we're feeling particularly not very good, yeah, or you know, we're feeling pretty terrible, then we'd say ofnadw. Do you remember that one? Yeah, so ofnadw if we're feeling particularly awful or terrible. Okay, so let's try ofnadw. Gyda'n gilydd, okay? Gyda'n gilydd, ofnadw. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. So, ofnadw for terrible, okay? Da iawn chi, excellent. And of course, the opposite of that, if we're happy, then we're hapus. Yeah, hapus for happy. So, let's try hapus, okay? Gyda'n gilydd, hapus. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. So hapus for happy, gwych, excellent. Well, of course, then we moved on then to asking the question, do you want? Yeah, so do you want is wyt ti eisiau. Yeah, remember that one? Wyt ti eisiau. Okay, so let's try wyt ti eisiau together. Gyda'n gilydd. Okay, gyda'n gilydd. Wyt ti eisiau. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. Wyt ti eisiau, do you want? Wyt ti eisiau, da iawn chi, excellent. Again, I gave the example, didn't I? Wyt ti eisiau paned, do you want a cuppa? Okay, and of course, to answer a question like that, we'd use ydw or nac ydw. Okay, so ydw for yes and nac ydw for no. Okay, so let's try first of all ydw. Okay, gyda'n gilydd, ydw. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. Now let's try no. Okay, so we'll do nac ydw. Gwych, da iawn chi. Let's give that one another go. Okay, gyda'n gilydd, nac ydw. Gwych, da iawn chi, excellent. So ydw nac ydw. Brilliant, da iawn chi. Okay. And we might want to say then, I want. So I want something would be dwi eisiau. Yeah, so dwi eisiau is I want. Okay, so I want dwi eisiau. Okay, let's try dwi eisiau gyda'n gilydd. Iawn? Gyda'n gilydd, dwi eisiau. Excellent. Da iawn chi. Brilliant. Gwych. So dwi eisiau, I want, dwi eisiau. Gwych. Da iawn chi. Brilliant. Da iawn chi. Okay, then we asked then, what's the matter? What's wrong? Didn't we? Yeah, do you remember that one? So, what's the matter? What's wrong? Beth sy'n bod? Okay, beth sy'n bod? What's the matter? Beth sy'n bod? Let's give that one another go, okay? Gyda'n gilydd. Beth sy'n bod? Gwych, da iawn chi. Excellent. So, beth sy'n bod? What's the matter? What's wrong? Yeah, so, beth sy'n bod? Gwych, da iawn chi. Excellent. And of course then we asked a question then, wyt ti'n iawn? Yeah, are you okay? Wyt ti'n iawn? Okay, so let's try wyt ti'n iawn. Okay, gyda'n gilydd. Wyt ti'n iawn? Gwych, da iawn chi. Excellent. So, wyt ti'n iawn? Are you okay? Wyt ti'n iawn? Okay. And then, of course, we asked then, wyt ti'n hapus, didn't we? Yeah, do you remember that one? So, are you happy? So, that would be, wyt ti'n hapus? Okay, let's give that one a go te. Gyda'n gilydd, iawn? Gyda'n gilydd. Wyt ti'n hapus? Da iawn chi. Excellent. Are you happy? Wyt ti'n hapus? Again, we would use ydw for yes or nac ydw for no. Gwych, da iawn chi. Excellent. Another good one to ask as well is wyt ti wedi blino? Wyt ti wedi blino? Are you tired? Wyt ti wedi blino? Okay, so let's give this one a go te. Gyda'n gilydd. Wyt ti wedi blino? Gwych, da iawn chi. Excellent. Wyt ti wedi blino? Are you tired? So again, we would use ydw or nac ydw. Okay, brilliant. Da iawn chi. Now te, we might want to say, yeah, I am tired. Yeah, I'm tired. Okay, so I'm tired would be dwi wedi blino. Yeah, so dwi wedi blino. Let's give that one a go te. Gyda'n gilydd. Dwi wedi blino. I'm tired. Dwi wedi blino. Da iawn chi. Excellent. Dwi wedi blino. I'm tired. Gwych. Da iawn. Well, of course then, the opposite, if we're not tired, then we would say dwi ddim wedi blino. Yeah, do you remember that one? Okay, so dwi ddim wedi blino. Let's give that one a go te, okay? Gyda'n gilydd. Dwi ddim wedi blino. Gwych, da iawn chi. Excellent. So dwi ddim wedi blino. Okay, so that's the opposite there. Okay, fantastic. Da iawn chi. Another 3 to go. Okay, so if we're happy, we say dwi'n hapus. So I'm happy, dwi'n hapus. Okay, let's give this one a go te. Gyda'n gilydd. Dwi'n hapus. Gwych, da iawn chi. Excellent. Dwi'n hapus. I'm happy. Gwych. And then if you happen to not be happy, then we would say dwi ddim yn hapus. Okay, dwi ddim yn hapus. I'm not happy. Dwi ddim yn hapus. Let's give that one a go te. Gyda'n gilydd. Dwi ddim yn hapus. Gwych, da iawn chi. Excellent. Dwi ddim yn hapus. Gwych, da iawn. Okay, ar un olaf, so the last one is, we did, didn't we? It's fine or it's okay, yeah? So that would be then, mae'n iawn. Okay, so it's like saying, oh, don't worry, it's fine, yeah? So, mae'n iawn. It's okay, it's fine. Mae'n iawn. Okay, let's give that one a go te. Gyda'n gilydd, okay? Gyda'n gilydd. Mae'n iawn. Gwych. Da iawn chi. Excellent. Mae'n iawn. It's okay. Mae'n iawn. Gwych. Da iawn chi. Oh, you've done so well. Da iawn chi. You've done excellently again this session again. So you've just finished sesiwn 2, session 2 of Clwb Cwtsh, and now you're ready to move on to session 3. So I look forward to seeing you during session 3 next. Okay, so take care, and I will see you in the next session. Hwyl fawr!